Okay, so this is another test of the full self-driving beta 10.12.2. If you haven't seen my prior videos, I do the exact same routes and I start it from the same exact spot. So we have navigation programmed in and we will start the test now. And I was able to set this to 5 miles per hour over the speed limit. Oh look, there's a coyote over there. Alright, let's see what we do here. Oh, there's the coyote. Actually, no, always yeah. And again, I have my foot over the brake and I have my hands on the wheel. I'm not touching anything, but if it puts me in a dangerous spot, I will intervene. But you can see here on top left, I'm engaged full self-driving, it's here as well. You can also see visualizations too. So here, it swings me out in the middle of this lane because it splits into two. So I feel like it should keep me in the right lane. Go a little faster on this corner here. And this will also be interesting too because there's construction up here, which is different than what it used to be. So we'll see what it does here. It's going straight into it, so good. Okay, slowing down, sped up, slowed down. Oh god. Let's see what it does. Oh god, oh god, oh god. This is not the usual thing that happens here. So this is much different and it is handling it very interestingly. Hesitant on the left turn, but it made the left turn. Okay, that was pretty stressful, but it handled it. It handled it. I mean, I can't say it handled it poorly. It was going a little bit fast, but other than that, yeah, you know, I was on the other side of the road. Typically the wrong side. Oh, it's going really slamming hard on the brakes. I don't feel like it saw that stop sign. Alright. Bike in the back. Yeah, so that was, it did not see that stop sign, I feel like, until very late. It was blocked, but I'll have to rewatch that video. Signals to the right, merges to the right gingerly. Feel it in my hands that it's very gingerly moving to the right lane. So at this light before, it has stopped and not gone. So there is no visualization to tell me that it's not supposed to turn right on red. It should turn and go. But again, I'm not seeing it go. So maybe I'll push the accelerator pedal or wait for it to turn. I'm gonna push the accelerator pedal because it's supposed to go. Alright, that's one disengagement. Turn. All the way into the left lane. On the signal, and then we'll pause here while we wait for the lights. Back on for the green, the tough left turn signal, or left turn. A little bit hesitant here, but handled the turn pretty well. It should eventually merge right, but we will see when it actually does that. Because we've got a right turn coming up in St. Mary's. People walking across. not going. I don't know why it didn't go. It's trying to merge now. I had to put my foot on the accelerator because it wasn't going to go. Should slow down. I haven't signaled yet, hasn't signaled yet. Now it's signaled. 15 miles an hour through that turn. A little bit slow, but I think some people prefer to go a bit slower on those turns, which is okay. I would hope that it would turn the signal on a little bit quicker, because we were pretty far out. Stop sign coming up here. There's no line visually. Okay. Turning. Good turn. Car up ahead should turn off the brights. Good. Pedestrian crossing up here, so it should slow down. We'll see what it does this time. Okay, this time it did not slow down whatsoever. Alright, it's starting to slow down now. It's still going really fast. We're going 35 miles an hour into it. It just went. I feel like it did not slow down quite enough. Okay. Now we're going to be making a left turn in here. Not the first one, but the second one here. Alright. Nope, it's not wanting to go. We'll see you in the next video.